Welcome to my 100 text effects series. Episode 5. Today, let's try a sandstorm text effect and use this text effect for a post design. First, we need to create the basic shapes and blur for the text. Find yourself a sand background image, better with some wind and grain texture. Simply get some text and layouts as you like. Then rasterize the type. After that, go to the top menu, find Filter, Blur, and Field Blur. This tool allows you to control the levels of blur in different areas of your image. This is not the only method to build this sand text effect. Any other blur tool can do the job. I'll explain later. Now, go to the Layer panel, change the blend mode to dissolve. You can see that the blurred part of your image will get grainy. If you think that the grainy is not strong enough, again, you can go to the top menu, find Filter, and use any kind of blur tool. That will give you more grainy effect. If you want to put some grain effects to the middle part of the text as well, just adjust the opacity a little, and you can get a sweet point where you like the grainy effect. Now you can find the smudge tool in the toolbar on the left. Brush around to get a much more exaggerated sandstorm-like effect. But if you zoom in, you will see that all the grain at this time is still very digital and not realistic enough. The key is that you must create a new blank layer and merge with the original layer. Then again, go to Top Menu, find Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur, and give it a 1-pixel Gaussian blur. To merge the original layer with a new blank layer is a must, otherwise it won't work with the Gaussian blur. Now you should get this basic sandstorm text effect. You can leave the text in white, or take one step further. Copy the background image and put this layer on top of the text layer and build a clip mask. Move this layer around, lighten it a little bit and blur it. This will give you a much more realistic text effect. Next, put some details and some text layout. Try to build one more. These will not be difficult. I think you can definitely make a more creative and better design than I do. If you like, I put the source PSD file for you in the description. Let me know if you need any more details about this. Just leave a comment. I'll be glad to help. This is one of my 100 text effects series. 99 more videos and free PSD files are coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. I'll keep creating.